I will see you with woman. I'm going to pay my trouble.
Ah, and this is your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Dorothy Awilo. Like, share, follow, comment, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always is successful. Today, two people have been on my DM. A lot of people since last 2 weeks. I decided to pick two. I don't enter trouble. As I pick two, today I make appointment. And one of them appear with army uniform. That's my fear. Like I don't know how to do, but I implement this in work. Oh. Viewers, let's go. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Can I know your name?
My name is Blessing.
Blessing.
Yes.
Okay. No verse. So
No
I
work.
want to ask you one question. No verse.
Okay.
Can I go on?
Yes.
Which type of man you dey expect?
I like the man is getting money or get something like that. Get car like that.
Okay, those
Just
are the type of man you need.
yes.
Okay. Viewers now don't hear from the lady. Okay. Good afternoon, bro.
Good afternoon.
Can I know your name?
My name is Ernest.
Ernest. What type of lady you dey expect?
Well, she should be good looking and hardworking also, and a very humble lady also.
Okay. Viewers, I don't hear any two of them talk. I dey fear somehow. Okay. Count of 1 to 3. Two of you go turn to see each other. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ah,
Wow.
ah, ah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting a soldier lady.
How you dey feel? Why? It's like you are shaking. Why? How you
I'm good, but I wasn't expecting her. That's it.
feel? Okay. I don't know whether na madam I will call you, but my oga, sure. Abeg no vex you because na the quick dey vex. You like wetin you see?
Yes. I'm okay.
You are okay.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to rate this man 1 to 10, wetin you go give am?
100%.
Yeah, viewers 100%. Okay, Ernest,
Yeah.
you like wetin you see?
Yeah, she's beautiful.
You beautiful.
Yeah,
Are you ready to go with her?
yeah. No, yeah.
You are ready? Okay, please. I dey fear to call lady your mother. Okay, can you turn around so the Ernest can really see? Can you turn around? Okay, turn around. Um, you like wetin you see?
Uh,
You like wetin you see?
yeah, sure.
Okay, if you want to read this beautiful lady, no vex you. Okay, from 1 to 10, wetin you go give am?
A 9/10.
9/10.
Yeah.
That means it's like both of you like each other.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good with her.
Wait, if you this Mr. Ernest say you want to go with her, are you good to go?
Yes.
You dey easy like that. Tomorrow I'll go and marry army lady. I swear. I dey fear na before. Oh. Okay, no problem. Is there anything you want to know about Ernest? You want to know where you come from, anything, what he's doing, anything?
Sorry. Rosa.
Ernest.
Anis. Where you coming from?
I'm from Nigeria, but I'm from Akwa Ibom State.
Bro.
Wow, so beautiful.
Okay, do you like Akwa Ibom guys?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, don't like Akwa Ibom guys. Okay, Mr. Ernest, is there anything you want to know from her?
Yeah. I want to know where she's from.
Okay, where are you from?
Wow. I'm from Anambra State.
Anambra State. Are you okay with that?
Uh, yeah, sure, I'm okay.
You are okay.
Yeah, well, one Nigeria.
I want Nigeria. So you are good to go.
Yeah. I want to know what she likes and what she dislikes. Like one thing that she likes and one thing that she dislikes.
You see? And there's want to know what thing she like, what thing don't like, because you know to fall in trouble. Okay, Ernest want to know what you like and what you don't like so that he
Just
can
one.
start practice.
Okay, I like the question.
Okay, you like the question. Nice
Yes,
one.
I like the question because I don't like man, follow woman anyhow. I will see you with woman. I'm going to be my trouble.
Ah, Ernest, do you hear that? Are you okay?
Sure. I'm good. I'm good.
You ask question and she says she's very good to give you answer. You
Yeah.
know to see you with any other woman. Are you okay with that?
Sure. Dating a lady like this, you be very careful.
Okay, nice one, no problem. Okay, two of you can come closer to exchange number. It's not good you guys should discuss everything on camera, but you can exchange your numbers first. From there, you can continue to know each other step by step. Abi? Yeah, get close now. Men are close to themselves now. Small, small, if yes, small. Yeah. Okay, okay, don't type your number there. Okay, now where they fear me, they are very easy, but no. Okay, na fit show some sign of romantic. Sorry, you know, abeg no vex. Na fit show some sign. Even na hug, I don't know whether na you do am. Na fit. Okay, let's go. Nice one. Thank you so much. So, men are the update me. Viewers continue to follow us. So, when the marriage start to work like they want to do traditional marriage, anything, wedding, we see on camera, we will show you everything. And yeah, two of you can hold your hand and pass here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Omo, see, this army lady, she dey very friendly. Wait, I don't understand. People wey put like say they no fit get approach to army lady to tell them like I love you, but see, this lady don't appear like full army. And he fall in love with the guy very simple. So if you are guy out there and you see a meet lady and you want to feel like you understand what to the army and say, girl, I love you. In the work, then say they find man. Thank you. Continue.